Good day, everybody. This is lessons 22 to 24 to 24, I think. Yeah. Yes, so lesson 24. So for lesson 22, Linda will be my navigator, and then 22 and 23 and 24, sorry, I'll be doing solo. Um, so lesson 22 was just basically about adding flash messages. Um, let's go to the summary of this. So basically what we learned about in this lesson okay, so we didn't actually learn much about cookies. But we know how they work. Um, and basically it's just like flash pop-up messages and stuff, so I guess that's basically what a cookie is. Anyway, I'll show you all that works. I'll just be going over the summaries of each chapter. Lesson 23 is building a user login and hashing passwords. Summary of this is Um, we implemented a hashing function for our users' passwords, then created a login form and action by using the bcrypt. So bcrypts basically create this very long password when you go to users, which I can also show you just now. Obviously, I'm going to. Bcrypt compare method to match hashed passwords against user input on login. At the end, we added more validations on input and data through an additional middleware function to sanitize data before it's saved to our database. And then in lesson 24, we are adding a user authentication. So we go here, summary. So we just learned about adding a few passports in in JavaScript packages, to assist encryption of to insist oh my gosh, sorry, to assist in the encryption of authentication of user data by connecting additional validation action to our user login middleware chain. So we can ensure that the user passwords are secure and the login experience is consistent. In the next capstone lesson, which we'll be doing tomorrow, is just adding user authentication to our Confetti Cuisine. So here you can see this is the recipe app. So far it's pretty much almost done, I'd say. So this, what you're seeing here, this would be a flash message. So let me refresh and it's gone. So up here we have a login. Now I can click this. Let me use this one. I think it was this. Login. Now you'll see logged in. And then it has logged in as what your username is or what you put down. So now if we go back home, sorry, okay, users. Here we'll see, so I logged in two separate times. So I can delete this one because I can't remember the password. So if I go here, you'll see, it's got my name, my email, my zip code, and my password that you can quite literally view. And so I can edit user details there. It's encrypted, so you can't see the password. Let me go back. And I can view all users, which is currently just here, or I can delete my current user. I can also go here to add a new user. Users. Let's go test. I don't think that's necessary. We'll go one digit extra. Email address test at gmail.com. And then our zip code will just be the same because it has to be 5 digits. So I'm going to click sign in. Again, another flash message. Oh my gosh, it pulled out the same automatically. Okay, we're going to go update that now. So here's your another flash message. Account created successfully, right? So now I can click here, edit user, and we're going to remove that. And we're going to say update. And there you see it's gone. I'm going to go back to view all users, boom, same thing, all done, pretty much how it goes. So that was the flash messages, encrypting, bcrypt. And I'd say authenticating by a login because it does ask you for your password. Oh, let me see what happens when I get the password wrong. We're going to go like so. Fail to log in. So put your email address back in. Oh wait, wrong one. Or don't. Okay, let's go test. I think it was at Gmail. And that says logged in. So that's a flash message, and obviously it's going to have this authentication where if it gets your password wrong, it's not just going to log in. So it's a proper login system. So yeah, that is lessons 22 to 24. Thank you.